I know right now literally hundreds of people that are making completely free money from Cash App, and there's no reason why you shouldn't be able to do the exact same. So if you want to be able to be making literally thousands of dollars right into your Cash App in completely free passive income, then you're definitely going to make sure to watch this video all the way to the very end, because I'm not going to be giving you just one, not two, but three completely unique methods that you are never going to find on any other video on the entire internet. So you're definitely going to make sure to stick all the way to the very end. And while you're watching this video, you might as well just scroll down and hit that like button, as well as subscribing with post notifications on, because on this channel, I'm dedicated to teaching my now over 5,000 subscribers, which I'm so happy we have finally been able to reach, the literal easiest ways to make some completely free money online. So if that sounds interesting at all, make sure you do that. And if you do that within the next 3 seconds, 3, 2, 1, did you do it? If you did, comment down below your cash tag and I might cash app you $100. So as you can see right now, guys, I have currently a live viewing of my phone because I'm going to be showing you the easiest way right now, literally right now. So make sure you're on your phone right now. You might want to put this video on your computer. You might want to put it on a laptop, and I'm going to go ahead and teach you right now the easiest way to make some completely free passive money that will not take you no more than 5 minutes. And on top of that, hundreds of different people just like you have done this exact method to go ahead and make some completely free, easy passive money. So all you guys are going to do is you're going to want to go on your phone and you're going to want to go onto the Cash App. And then when you get on the Cash App, is that you're obviously going to want to wait for it to load, but then after it loads, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to hit on this top right button right here. On top of that, can you guys stop trying to Cash App me money? I've literally had over a dozen people try and Cash App me money. I'm not paying for your food, okay? I'm done with that, so stop asking me to do that. But what you guys are going to want to do is that you're going to want to scroll all the way down, and if you guys go ahead and see right here, it doesn't show for me, but it might show for you. It might say enter referral code, and what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go ahead and enter in a referral code. And basically how this works is that, as you can see right here, Cash App has an option for you to go ahead and refer friends to Cash App, which will give them some free money and also give you some free money. So if you guys don't have a referral code that you can go ahead and use, if you don't have a friend or family member that you want to give a free $5, if you want to go ahead and support the channel and you want to go ahead and support what I do, then I can go ahead and give you my referral code right now. So as you can see, my Cash App referral code is right here, and all you guys are going to want to do to go ahead and get a completely free $5 from Cash App is go ahead and type this in right here. It is CNPQCCN. Again, that is CNPQCCN, as well as I have the code in the description as well, so you can just copy and paste it from there. However, you got to keep something in mind. If you are a first-time Cash App installer, or if you have not already done this, you do have to go ahead and set up a depositing account from your bank account or your debit card directly into Cash App, and you do need to go ahead and deposit a little bit of money. Doesn't have to be much at all. It can be literally $1, and then you can literally just cash that money back out directly into your bank account, and then you go ahead and make yourself some free $5. But you guys can go ahead and use this method and send it to your friends and family and get them to sign up for Cash App, and then you'll both get a completely free $5. And in some cases, I've seen referral codes go up to $20. So you guys are definitely going to make sure to check out your referral code, because if it does go up to $20, then you have the opportunity to cash out super hard. And if you guys don't believe me that this method works, I'm going to go ahead and show this right here. As you can see, I have over 70 people that have currently accepted the invitation bonus, and we have a bunch of people right here that have gone ahead and signed up for Cash App. But if they go ahead and set up a direct deposit, they will be able to get a free $5 from Cash App, provided that they go ahead and set up a direct deposit from a bank account or a card, which if you don't know how to do that, all you got to do is click on the top right button right here, and then you got to scroll down to linked banks. And as you can see right here, I have my debit card and bank account linked. And the nice thing about Cash App, and the reason why I like using Cash App a lot for peer-to-peer payments, is because Cash App has $0 transaction fees. So you can send money to any place pretty much instantly. There's no wait time, and you can do it for completely free, which is why I highly recommend everyone using Cash App. And as you guys can see right here, this is my Cash card, which I do actually have my Cash card on hand. It is right here. As you can see, it says Xavier YT on it, which it's pretty cool to have a nice little sleek card that does have my name on it. But I can go ahead and go into this right here, and as you can see, we can explore some offers, and you guys can be going ahead and getting some completely free discounts off of a bunch of different things. Take something like Instacart or Uber or McDonald's or Dollar General. You can go ahead and get 10% off any order right now, provided that you go ahead and sign up for the Cash card, which if you guys combine that with the free invitation bonus that I'm giving you, you have the opportunity to cash out up to $20 as well as a 10% off whatever you could be buying. So you can go ahead and get something for completely free by using this method right now. But while that method is amazing and that is easily one of the easiest and fastest ways to make some money on Cash App, it is not a permanent income stream, because obviously you're not going to be able to use that for now and forever, because obviously you cannot get these invitation bonuses forever. There will be people that run out. There is not enough people in the world to go ahead and be getting it forever. But if you guys do want a very easy way to get some completely free Cash App money for now and forever, all you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to your Google search bar, or you're going to want to go to the pinned comment comment in the description down below, and you're going to want to type paid-to-earn.com. Then you're just going to go ahead and hit that enter. And as you can see right here, paid-to-earn.com is this brand new survey site that is literally one of the best out there. And the reason why they're one of the best out there right now is because they give better margins than any other survey site I've ever seen, which is why I go ahead and recommend all of my subscribers to go ahead and try it out, because they literally give you 100% less margins per survey that they go ahead and offer you. And these are surveys that you cannot get without a survey provider. So you have the opportunity to literally be making double of what an app like Adapole or Eureka would go ahead and make for you. So all you guys got to do is just start earning for free, and then you got to go to your dashboard. And as you guys can see right here, I have earned over 12,000 points, which means over $120, and has not taken me no more than 7 days to earn this. And as you can see, I've also gotten a bunch of users referred, which is how I was able to make some money as well, which if you guys are an affiliate and you do want to make some easy money, they do give you a 10% referral bonus. So as you can see right here, I've already made about 10 bucks going ahead and just referring paid to earn to people. And it was super easy to go ahead and do this. And I would highly recommend you guys do the same if you have a social following like me. But if you don't have a social following, then all you got to do to make some easy money is you just got to click on this earn button, and you got to either check out their surveys, offer walls, or offer section. So I'll go through them all with you guys right now. So their surveys section right here is just an easy place to go ahead and fill out some super quick surveys. So if we check out something like CPX research, which I'm a huge fan of CPX research, as you can see right here, for not even 2 minutes of our time, we can go ahead and make a free $4 for not even 2 minutes of our time. And if we go ahead and check out BitLabs, you can see right here that we can be making up to $2, maybe even $3, as you can see right here, for surveys that don't even take you 5 minutes, which obviously is going to be an excellent use of your guys' time. And the reason why I said compared to a site like FreeCash, you cannot find the margins on survey sites like this on something like FreeCash. And the reason why is because they don't give you 100% of what the survey is actually worth, but on paid to earn, they do. So we can also check out want to add surveys, and these are also very good, but you do need to fill out this quick questionnaire. And then obviously on top of that, you can go ahead and check out the offer walls. The offer walls are kind of the secret sauce in order to be making the real kind of money. I'm not going to lie. As you can see right here, we can be making 6,000, 9,000, 3,000 points, which obviously is going to be a massive cash out. That is literally like $30 if you go ahead and do this. And the 60 bucks for this BitLabs offers right here, you guys have the opportunity right now to cash out super hard. But I know that pay to earn isn't going to be having these margins forever, so you guys are definitely going to want to make sure to sign up right here today. And if you do sign up with the code linked in the pinned comment, you can go ahead and get a free $1 upon sign up, as well as you're going ahead and supporting the channel. But we can also check out wanna ads offer walls. These also pay out very nice. As you can see right here, we can make up to $6 for signing for AARP. We can make $6 for signing up to Revolt. We can make $5 for whatever this is. There's a lot of money that you guys can be able to go ahead and make right now. And one of the newest ones they just added is sushi ads. As you can see right here, you can make up to $18 from this one offer with sushi ads. You can make up to 15 bucks for going ahead and signing up with swag bucks. You can be going ahead and making 8 bucks for going ahead and signing up for acorns. You can get a free trial at Paramount for a fee $5. You can go ahead and get a free Chevron gift card and get a free $2 from that. So obviously this is going to be an excellent use of your guys' time, and this is a high ROI investment, because one of the best side hustles out there is one that you don't have to do any setup for, because what that means is that you can go ahead and just instantly start making money. So you guys are definitely going to want to check out pay to earn right now. One of the secret sauces that I can give is actually if you guys go ahead and check out the best picks. This is how I made a lot of my money initially. If you guys go ahead and fill out any of these offers right here, these all pay out at least 500 points. It doesn't have it listed right now. I'm talking to them right now. I'm trying to get that listed. And as you can see right here, you can see what the average payouts per offers for each of them right here. If you go ahead and go to this best offers page, and you can go ahead and start this offer right now to go ahead and make some free money, or this one or this one. And these are all just basically surveys, or they're just other offers. And these are ones that are just integrated into the site compared to using a offer wall. But that is going to be it for today's video, guys. If you did enjoy it, make sure you go ahead and click on one of these videos right here. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I do genuinely hope you have a good day.